The new HEISHA D100 drone dock is fully upgraded, built for extreme dusty tunnel environments. Core Upgrade 1. Professional dust resistance. Adopts exclusive special dust-proof technology. Blocks fine dust in harsh working scenery iOS. Stables continuous operation in tunnel sites. Core Upgrade 2. Full sealed electronic structure. Full sealed PCB electronic design. Built-in independent main control log system. Records full operational data accurately. Effectively prevents dust erosion on circuits. Extends equipment service life greatly. Core Upgrade 3. Easy consumable replacement. Humanized quick replacement structure. No complex tools required. Saves maintenance time and cost. HEISHA D100 upgraded drone dock. Durable, practical, and low maintenance. Ideal solution for tunnel, extreme dust scenery iOS.